My name's John Perkovich. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at RPM and the executive sponsor for the involvement with Michigan State and the Capstone Group. The experience working with the students was great. It was very interactive. We had 3 teams. We had each team also come to our office. We spent an entire day here getting to know them better in person. We gave them a tour of our facility. We went out to lunch. We got to know them on a more personal level and make connections that I think were extremely helpful for us to have successful projects like we did with MSU and the Capstone Group.
So for our project, trying to understand and eliminate carbon footprint, it was more understanding what is our footprint, how do we maybe potentially solve to reduce that overall. It was a little bit more open-ended, trying to get creativity from the students to see where their minds kind of went on solving that problem, or at least baselining it.
The name of our project was the Carrier Feedback Project. The high-level overview is we have different carriers in the network that communicate in many different ways. How do we reach them in a method that they want?
We worked with MSc students on streamlining home pickup and delivery process. The objective that we gave to the students was how we can increase the customer engagement and build long-lasting relationship with the end consumer. The best thing about working with MSU was the fact that they're the #1 rated program for logistics and supply chain in the United States. And us working with the students, we realized that they are really aware of the industry, aware of the market and the business trends.
And so working with them for 15 weeks, being able to mentor them, being able to walk them through some of these processes, seeing the hurdles that they come up against. It's not just this already pre-constructed process. They're actually critically thinking through this and being able to just kind of be a part of that. And to me, that is a very fun, exciting, wonderful experience, not just for us, but hopefully for them. And it becomes a positive, kind of transformative moment for them as they kind of graduate and trying to see where they're going to go.
It's trying to put myself in their shoes again. I've gone through that. I've been part of those projects, and knowing that at times you can get a little disengaged from it. It's the school piece of it, but they were awesome. They were very involved, asked a lot of great questions. It was cool to see their perspective on things.
MSU was great to work with. They were very engaging. They made it clear with what was expected of RPM. And we had a great time getting to know all of the people involved, not just the students on our teams, but the entire group that was involved in all of this. It was very well done. Michigan State did a great job, and we're excited to go back and work with them again.